but Santa Cornea.
Okay.
We got a new car.
We're in the new car right now.
Literally, we'll do a tour.
We're gonna do a tour of the new car.
And I got new shoes. So this is the trunk. I have no idea how you even open this thing.
I'll do it nice.
Hey, stop, Mom.
What?
It's a trunk.
I have to leave soon.
And then you could change the channel if you want to. And then you could turn this up and down.
Got lights up here too.
Yeah. And then I'll show you Liza. Hi, baby.
Guys, come look at this.
Okay.
Hold on. How do you open this trunk?
Okay. Ready? The right side.
This one?
Over here.
Yeah, guys. It folds down for groceries. And this goes up.
This goes up.
Probably for like tools and stuff.
Jack, I don't want you guys playing with this at all.
What is it?
Flashlight.
It is not to be played with. That's for... Did you see the storage up front?
No.
And look! Oh! It is very slippery.
Audra, lift up your mat.
They paid off.
Oh wow!
What is it?
But Jim knows it's coming, so please tell him.
Another mat!
No.
Jim knows the honey's coming.
I'm going to show you something. Lift up your shoes.
Hold on, guys.
Lift up your mat. Lift that up.
It doesn't lift up.
Do they fit, Audra?
Oh yeah.
They look a little big on you.
Hang on, Mom. She's trying to show there's other storage down here.
They are too big on you. There's your toe. They're way too big. Okay.
Okay, I can't get it.
Okay, put that stuff back and I'll show you how to do it over here. See, look, there's a... You got one on your side, too.
Oh! Guys!
You pee?
No.
Okay. That's nice. So you've got like a little hidden compartment under there, huh? Yep.
That is so neat.
That's really nice. I wonder if the front seat's got it.
No.
All right, I'm going to shut the door now. Look out, Audra.
This is
Those
neat,
shoes are way
guys.
too big for you, baby.
Yeah, they fit. Look how tight they are, though. So, Thomas has the whole seat to himself,
Yeah,
and
back
this
here.
requires 7 people.
Yes. So let's put Sammy up though. I want her to spend the night too.
Yeah, me too. My lips are humongous.
Yeah, they are. They're huge.
Yeah.
We're in the car.
That's our grandma's car.
And that's our mom.
That's Liza. Ow! And look.
You can do anything with that.
Yeah. And then you can
Roll the windows down.
all the way.
Can you put these out?
Okay, everybody back on the phone.
I have homemade honey at home. Somebody can tell me if you need it.
Liza, put the windows up. Roll the window up.
I was going to call
Roll the window up,
Tara.
Liza.
Tara was a nanny.
I don't want to.
Love you. Tommy's friend at work, I think I've used maybe this much of it, but it's smaller, had homemade honey. So, if you need that, Father,
We're in the car. Look at what we have.
That's the last time
That's the air.
I had honey in there, I think he finished it. I didn't get any of it.
Mama,
what?
please, about Sammy.
What?
Please, about Sammy.
Not right now.
Really?
No, not right now.
Look at this.
Oh, I don't care.
Can I have a make of your slushy?
Yeah.
Mountain Dew slushy.
I see that. Shut up, it's mine.
I wanted a mink.
You have to have the rest. Head's starting to hurt. I haven't eaten anything.
I gotta call Memorial Food.
Wait!
Please.
It's falling out.
Let's see what they said. They then called Blue Road to cancel that.
I need to call my insurance
But
agent and
out.
tell them about this.
Yeah, right over there, Mom.
You did say to
Way
do that,
over
right?
there.
Or did you just put that in the system?
Over there.
I called this picture.
Yeah.
Because and probably, I guess, take the other one off until you get it fixed. Well, either way, we're wearing pay for insurance on it. You're not going to use it.
Oh, I'm not. So they, yeah.
So I'm saying, it's all just
Oh,
Now,
guys.
will Steven be able to use those plates again, though?
but, well, then once he takes it over, probably not.
I don't think so.
They'd have to change plates for it.
Yeah. But see, he'd be a new driver. He's gonna have to get his own insurance. I don't want to add him to mine.
Nope.
Mine
He's
will.
over it.
He doesn't want to work part-time. He likes the 17 hours a week.
Yeah, she is.
That's fine. As long as it's cool.
Yeah, to go to school. So you get a better job.
Guys, she's eating.
He wants to take a year off. That's fine.
See, that's where,
I'd work full-time and pay me rent.
that's where I envy Jonathan more. He had to grow up faster.
Look, you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jonathan has the ambition. Now, don't get me
Thomas.
wrong.
Yeah,
Steven, when it comes to money, he will pay back. He is not
Look how
about...
much room he has.
Almost forced to grow up.
He has holders over there.
Walter's like so uncomfortable.
That's why when he was 17, he got his own.
Look at this.
Got his own place and all that.
Okay, guys.
It's almost like when John was-
Subscribe.